This is a very specific message for a very small group of people. And if you stumbled upon this video, it is no coincidence. Let me guess. You don't hate your life, but you don't love it either. You know you're capable of more. And let's get this straight. You are not lazy, you are not unmotivated. You are just living a life that is too small for who you are. You are such a powerful soul, and you didn't come to Earth to live an average life. You are stepping into your dream life and into your divine role. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how to do exactly that. Most people in life, they follow this timeline of by a certain age, they're supposed to do a certain thing, but you are not meant to live a normal life. You are meant to be a trailblazer. And my guess is you already know what your dream life looks like, but you haven't acted upon it yet. You might have even done a dream board and everything, but what is stopping you is that it would mean leaving behind your old life. Perhaps getting haters, taking full responsibility for your life, and those things are scary. So instead, you have one foot in your old life and one foot in your new life. And if you continue watching, I'm going to share how you can fully step into this new empowered life that is your dream life and that is your purpose. And the first thing you need to know is that if you're feeling stuck, it's not because you don't have clarity. Like we said before, you know what your dream life is. It's because you're not taking enough action. And that's why I talk so much on my channel about taking messy action. You will get more clarity through action as well. So even if you don't feel 100% sure of what your purpose is, what your dream life is, you will learn through action. So I urge you this week to take a small action towards your dream life. What is one thing on your vision board or your goals list? And pick the most exciting one and then ask yourself, okay, if I were to break this up into little mini steps, what's the first mini step I can do? For example, if you want to become a content creator so you don't have to work anymore for a boss in an office, then film one little short to post on TikTok, sharing a lesson that you learned this week, for example. Second thing you need to do is reprioritize your life and your time. We always keep hearing and saying, I don't have enough time. But if you were to really look at your week and day by day, how you are structuring that day, how much time you spend watching Netflix, scrolling mindlessly on social media, you will see a lot of dead time. My guess is you can carve out at least 1 hour per day towards building your dream life. So that's my second action item to you, to take a look at the average day. Where can you get an hour block or a half an hour block? Because with time, with consistency, like a snowball, that will so fast get you towards your dreams. Next step is to get crystal clear on what your purpose is. So my guess is you already know what your dream life looks like, but how do you actually make money to afford that dream life, right? So most people will just think, okay, whatever pays the most. But most people don't want to be an Elon Musk, have 500 companies, build rockets and work day and night, an unstable life like that. They want a soft life, most light workers that I talk to. So you gotta make sure that your job or your business actually allows a soft life. So I want you to write down your version of success for you. Don't worry about what your parents think, your friends, society. What is your version of success? For example, I always thought that the best job you can have in the world is a job at Google. So eventually I did manifest a job at Google. But what I realized was that it was still limiting my freedom. I was still trapped in an office for most of the day. That was not my version of success. My version of success was being able to book a spontaneous trip whenever I want, or spend more time with my family, more time with my hobbies and spiritual growth. So not trading time for money. And that's why I decided to be a business owner. I actually have a free guide, I've linked it in the description, on how to find your purpose in 5 simple steps. And if you already have a rough idea, then in the description you can also find a link to our business clarity call booking, where you can get some more guidance on how you can turn that into a profitable business where you're not actually trading time for money. So you have more time, enjoying your beautiful, soft dream life. You're done waiting, right? Write in your comments, I'm done waiting. You are such a powerful soul, and it's time to claim that role. You are a new Earth celebrity. That is the audience that my message attracts. You're here to hold the frequency of the new Earth. It's a really beautiful shift going from the 3D Earth to 5D Earth. So your work here is so important. Let me know what your aha moments were. Love you so much and see you in the next video.